It's like the Tesla of electric bikes. And I can really get this bike to lean. That's how much fun it is. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another electric bike review. This is the Aipas M2 electric bike. We are going to unbox it, put it together, take it for a spin, and then grade it on fit, form, and function. And here she is, all put together. I gotta tell you, A+, A pass on the boxing. The way this thing was boxed with these foam inserts and cardboard and lighter cardboard and zip ties out the wazoo, they protected everything. There's not a scratch on this bike at all. I mean, it is beautiful. And look at the color. I chose this green because it's incredible. It is just a beautiful color. And as far as how it went together, no complaints. Well, okay, only one complaint. These right here, to attach to the frame, you really have to push in on one of them. So you can kind of start this one here, but then, I mean, you really have to push this way because it's sticking out about an inch or so from the connection point, which is right there. Okay, so you really have to push that together. So you might get a zip tie or something and kind of just squeeze these together so you can get the bolt started. I didn't do the bolt. I didn't want it to pop out because of all the tension on this. So I tightened it up a little bit. I think it's going to be fine. But that's the only thing, okay? The fender, the light went on very easily. The handlebar went on very, very easily. The seat's already attached. This is basically attached as well, okay? And look at the tires. Oh, they are humongous. They are inflated. Yeah, these come almost, yeah, that still feels fully inflated to me. So that's nice. You have your keys, excuse me. You have your warranty card right here. You have a beautiful display, and these are your tools. You get a tool kit, you get some Allen wrenches, some regular wrenches, a screwdriver. This is another reflector if you want to add it. You have a headlight right there. You have reflectors on your wheels. You've got a tail light. You should be good. And this is your battery charger right there. So all of that comes in a box. But this, I have high expectations. This is a big bike. Okay, this is the large. I wanted the large because it's going to fit a wider variety of people. They come in different sizes. This is the big one. I love it. I cannot wait to get on this. And that's what we're going to do as soon as it stops raining. Time now to see what this Aipas M2 is packing. Absolutely. 1500 watt motor that I'm really excited to try right here. 110 Newton meters of torque. Now, most bikes will give you 60, 70 Newton meters of torque. This thing claims 110 with a 74-mile range and a top speed of 30 plus miles an hour. So let's see, we've got her charged up. I did that last night. So we are fully charged. We're on miles per hour. The odometer is 0. So we're just going to get on. And this is a big bike. All right, folks, this is really a big bike. And I like that about it. So let me raise the seat just a touch. Swing our leg around it. Let's go to pedal assist. 2. And just go have some fun. Once again, we have the throttle right here. We have our Shimano 7-speed gear system. Up and down right here, we have our horn and our lights, I think. Yeah, the lights and the horn. So let's just kind of see. Oh, well, somebody wants to get out on the road really, really quickly. Okay. Howdy, howdy. Well, I like what I'm feeling so far. We'll go down, test out this Shimano gear system. Almost every bike I've tested has this, and it's a good one. Okay, these are nice crisp shifts. That's my word for this. There we go. It went right into the top gear. We're in 7th gear right now. Passenger assist 3. Now you do have cruise control, and there's an auto headlight feature as well. So the headlight will come on just like on your car. And I can stand up already. This, and I can jump. Oh, somebody wants to go off-roading. Yeah, buddy. Okay, let's go down here. Like we do with all of our tests, we test the suspension first, then we check the power of the battery and the motor coming up Torque Hill. So this is a terrible road. The brakes are quiet though. The brakes are really quiet. Okay, this is nice. Oh, she's torquey. She really likes to go. Okay, here we go. So we got that front suspension working. There's not really anything under the rear, my rear, or the rear of the bike. So I'm hoping the saddle or the seat and the tire helps absorb some of the shock, and it does. Whoa. Okay, we're going down this hill fast. This is 16. I love this giant LCD screen. This is really nice right here. Yeah. Oh, this would be so nice off-road. So we may have to go, there's a empty lot. We may have to go test that out, okay? Now, with 110 Newton meters of torque, they say that's in pedal assist 1. I test the bikes going up this hill in top gear. Okay, so this is sport. Passenger assist 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Anything above 12 is a passing grade. And we're going 17 right now, 16.9. I'm not pedaling or anything. 16, 17. Oh, yeah, easily. She is very easily coming up this hill. There's the cactus. That's our midway point. 16.7, 16.8. Okay. Yes. Here it is. And then we'll just go all out. 19. Let me pedal. Oh, this is nice. Okay. I got the cruise control on right now, and I have no hands on the handlebar. That's how safe I feel on this bike right here. That was hands-free. It's like the Tesla of electric bikes. You don't need your hands on the steering wheel. Oh my goodness. Heck yeah, I love this thing. Now it is you're sitting on top of the bike. This isn't one of those bikes that you feel like you're sitting in. You can definitely feel like you're on top of it. Let's just go out here, enjoy some more of this. Yeah, we're just kind of cruising right here. This is nice. I'll stand up as we go by this brick. That'll be a good little thumbnail maybe. But this bike, it just wants to go. Now, like I said, this is a large bike, and you can be a large rider. You can be 450 pounds on this thing, is what they say. That's a big guy, okay? That just tells you the build quality and the strength of the frame. Yeah, 110 Newton meters of, well, there's one of the squeaks. Here we go, we'll go around these folks. It stopped raining for a while, so everybody's out walking their dogs and walking their babies, riding their electric bikes, testing the horn. There you go. This is such an easy bike to ride. The position is perfect, okay? There is a little bit of a curve to the handlebars. The pads right here are very supportive, even the end pieces. And I can really get this bike to lean. See? Yeah, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go down. We'll go to passenger assist 1. Yeah, let's go back up. That was too much work. Here we go. Passenger assist 4. Standing up as we go over these bumps like a real motocross person would do. I'm in the middle of the road. I am very careful when I ride these bikes. I'm looking for traffic at all times. And I love this bike. This color is so nice. The tires, they are knobby tires, so they're going to take you off-road. I mean, this is it's a mountain bike. It's got the fenders, so it's going to keep, we got the cruise control operated right now, see? Look at that. That's how much fun it is. And then if I hit the brakes, the cruise control kicks off. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm very, very careful when I'm riding these bikes. I have my helmet and everything else on. And I just enjoy riding these bikes so much. I always say this, you're having a bad day. Things didn't go your way. The boss was extra mean at work or whatever. You missed a deadline. Come out and ride your bike. It's going to make you happy. It is really going to make you very, very happy. Put you in a good mood and get that heart pumping if you want to get some exercise. Absolutely. And this Aipas is a great bike to do it on. Whoa. All right, let's see if we can do this. We're doing 2 things at once. Here we go. We're going to take this kind of off-roading and just say, oh. Okay, it is muddy out here and it's a hot mess. But look at the bike. The tires, these little knobs on the tires are nice. Look at all this. Okay, should I jump the sand pit? No, we're not going to do that. No way. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now you can see how I film a lot of my stuff. That's my Insta360 camera in front of me. This is really muddy. But the bike is doing just fine. Holy crapola. And those fenders are keeping all the junk off of my legs, which is really nice. Oh, that's a big old sticker. Okay, let's kind of go down here. Oh yeah, here we go. One-handed through the grass, off-roading, and the bike is doing great. How cool is this? Whoa, that was nice. Oh, woo! Okay. Let's see if we can get her home now. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this, but the LCD screen has a USB port underneath it, so you can charge your phone if you want to have music or something while you're riding. Yeah, let's go back up. 5, 6, 7, and just kind of cruise around a little bit. We need to go up. Let's go to sport, passenger assist. Let the bike do some work. The motor is ultra quiet. I have had loud motors on some of these bikes. This one is very, very quiet. The brakes don't really squeal. And you can see the battery usage right there. So, how cool is that? And then once I let go, it'll pop back up. You see the cruise control is kicked in. I like the cruise control, it's nice. And then if you hit the brakes, it goes off. Well, if I have talked you into the Aipas M2 off-road electric bike, I hope I have, because it is certainly a fun one. They've got the price marked way down. $18.99 is a usual price for this thing. They have it marked down to $989 right now. So that's $18.99 to $989, about half off. That's a huge discount. All right, if you want to look at the colors as well, they have 4 colors. There is black, there's gray, there's orange, and there's a color called Veridity. Yeah, which to me, I would probably call it what it is, but they want to call it Veridity, which is just fine. We're going to have more information on the bike in the description below the box right here, but let's get her back and let's go ahead and grade her on fit, form, and function. And I'm anticipating pretty good grades. Yeah, some really good grades. The time has arrived. Fit, how the bike came out of the box. Well, we gave it away already. Yeah, absolutely A+ on that. It was packaged perfectly, easy to put together. Like I said, the only thing right here, if you got a good grip, you can really squeeze these things to put the bolts into the frame. Other than that, love it, love it, love it, okay? A+, easy, easy, easy. Form, the way the bike looks, well, help me be the judge of this thing. It's a similar frame. I've seen this type of frame on other bikes, but what they've done with it as far as adding some different functionality here, you've got the forks in the front, you've got your very nice looking fender with a black stripe, which is really, really cool, and the handlebars and everything just look fantastic. So as far as form, we're going to give it an A. Function, that's where the real fun comes into play. These humongous 26 by 4 inch tires right here with the knobs, they're quiet on the road. They are very grabby in the dirt and the grass. I didn't get stuck at all. I didn't even slip at all. You've got tremendous pedals right here. And everything just seems to go together so well and make this a very, very fun bike, let alone 1500 watt motor and 110 Newton meters of torque. So as far as function, yeah, A+ all day long. Super, super easy overall. You know what's coming. It's an A+. Aipas has an A+ bike on their hands. I highly recommend you check this out, especially if you're a larger rider. Remember, they come in 2 sizes. This is the larger one, and I actually had a gentleman contact me and said he was over 300 pounds and he was looking for a bike to help him lose weight. Well, right here, buddy, this is the one for you. This thing will carry a ton of weight, a super-sized human, and it will get you where you want to go. I love the fact you get a little brake light here, auto headlight, charging point right here. It's great. It's a winner. So A+ overall, Aipas. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Once again, I'll have more information in the comment section below, so please check out the Aipas M2 off-road electric bike. This thing is amazing. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another e-bike review coming up very, very soon. Have a great day. Okay. Bye-bye.